Alright family, so we finished prepping for today. The guys are gone, they just left. So we're gonna bring the thing around this way and go that way. So they finished prepping for the day, and I got about 9 yards of concrete coming on Monday, and they're gonna start the job Monday morning, because they wasn't even supposed to come today but they had other engagement I got canceled because of the weather. So they came over here. Now I gotta go to the store and get a 4-inch pipe, and with an elbow for over here for the drain. Get that set up for them before they get back on here on Monday. So I'm gonna do that myself because I wasn't part of the job, but I got the water hose right there. So I want to put a drain here, so should in case I decide to put a bar or something out here, you know, there'll already be a drain. I had to for the water to drain out because I might put a sink and everything over here. So this is what it looks like. I did that part right there. Believe it or not, that concrete work is my handiwork. That's what I'm saying. If they come and don't do a better job than what I did, we're gonna have a serious problem. But I mean, that's it. So 9 yards, hopefully 9 yards should be enough. And whatever left, we're gonna throw it in the back. If not, they're gonna have to get some more cement. But this is what we got today, y'all. So once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Okay? So the other part of the video gonna come later. Hey y'all, so today we start the project doing the concrete in the backyard. And it's wet today and cold, but these guys are out here grinding. They already started digging and marking stuff over here, and they have to go get some more wood to line it back up and clean it up real nice and get it ready for Monday morning. They're gonna be out here pouring by 9 o'clock in the morning. So once they get all this stuff done, measured, we're gonna get a whole truckload of cement out here, concrete out here, and get this project going. So by Monday this time, all this should be done. And I've been meaning to do this for 7 years, so finally gonna get this done. So you'll hang out. Hopefully it looks good. I was gonna do it myself, but you know, a lot of work. So gonna pay somebody else to do the work, and hopefully it turned out better than I was gonna do it. You know, that's the main thing, right? It's got to turn out better than I was gonna do it. So keep on watching, subscribe to the channel. We got more content coming for you guys. Love you. Peace. Getting form put in to do the concrete work on Monday. Looking good so far.
Big Daddy today, Papa.
He got all the muscles.
Yeah, oh yeah. Big Daddy. Ahorita me tienes que dar para acá, güey. How big is this?
Putting down that concrete. Coming together slowly. They gotta make this part pretty. Coming together slowly.
Así. Va a ser una pinche verga bien parada, bro. Se me va a bailar. Look at it on your truck. Let's